Hello, Mk4 Mk5 Cortina Fanatics, and here we are at the NEC Sunday, and the three cars that we have been showing, and we've got two S's and a South African one. So I think what we'll do is we'll start with the first one. There's a few arguments on what colour this car is. I'm just going to say it's yellow, and this is Ali, and it's got this lovely interior. (2.3S). Very nice. Then we have the 3 litre S. In green. Another fantastic interior. And finally, we have another 2.3? Yeah, another 2.3S. So we have two 2.3 S's. We'll say one in yellow, one in orange, and this one has the nice leather interior in it. All of them have steel wheels on. Fantastic finishes. Okay, superb finish underneath. And just to say one thing, that in the 1970s, where everything was brown and beige, you did have a choice of getting something a bit better. What a fantastic interior. I'd just like to say, hope you enjoyed the 3 cars at the NEC in Birmingham. Sunday, March, I think it's the 20th, but it might be the 19th. And we'll just have a quick glance round at some of the other vehicles and things you can see. Some Mark II Escorts over there. Corsair here. It's a nice selection. I can see a Probe and some other Fords along there. And we've got a couple of Mark IIIs next to us as well. This one restored, and this one being restored. here are the 3 cars, and at the Mark 4s and the 2 Mark 3s. So I'd like to say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Goodbye.